Okay friends, today we will create a new folder in Windows Follow. Okay, now we are on the desktop, then we go to File to Explorer. That is by click on the File Explorer circle below. Okay, okay friends, now we are in File Explorer and here. Okay, and navigate to where you want to create a new folder on your desktop or in File Explorer, Windows plus E. Right click on press and hold. Okay, and click tab on new and click tab on folder. Okay friends, and now folder has appeared and friends can name the folder that friend want to the friends. Just press enter and then how and okay, for example we write please the name of the folder with name Pelita Bangsa, and then friend just press enter and done. Okay, thank you so much how to make a new folder in Windows Follow. Okay friends, we will meet in the next tutorial. Bye.